Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of lugging around a heavy teacher bag that's a total pain to carry? Look no further than the Marscamd rolling teacher bag, the ultimate solution for educators on the go. With its easy setup and smooth rolling capabilities, you'll be gliding across the classroom in no time. The trolley handle adjusts to 3 easy heights and folds flat when removed from the bag, making it a breeze to store and transport. This bag is a game changer, with a patented accordion organizer that keeps all your papers and documents in order, and handy side pockets on the outside for quick access to your essentials. The padded laptop sleeve and mesh pockets inside provide a safe and secure spot for your valuable electronics, and the top lid can be secured open with a buckle strap for easier access. The large capacity of this bag is perfect for fitting all your teaching needs, from lesson plans to large tumblers. Thousands of customers have fallen in love with this bag, and it's easy to see why. It's well reviewed and popular among teachers. The soft, water-resistant fabric and removable bottom pad make it a practical choice for daily use, and the padded top handles plus a detachable crossbody strap make it comfortable to carry when you're not rolling it. Whether you're heading to the staff room or running to a meeting, this bag has got you covered. With its large capacity, easy rolling, and practical design, the Marscamd rolling teacher bag is the perfect choice for any teacher looking to upgrade their daily carry. So why wait? Get your hands on one today and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.